So you can.
The famous Cupid.
Yeah, the famous one.
Yeah.
Sometimes can see
Right in front of Gucci. There's a Gucci exhibition. What is this shop? This is Fortnum and Mason. What is it?
Thank you for attending me, babe.
Thank you. Thank you, my friends. And now, gentlemen, I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, run. When I say run, run. Yes? Before you run, let go of the bike. Everybody else, when the guys run, please remember it couldn't be you, okay? And make them feel like heroes. If I fall on one of the boys, don't clap. It's not part of the show. Yeah. Call the ambulance. They know who I am. 1, 2, 3, run! Nobody died? That's never happened before.
Apple Market? Apple Market? Yeah, it says Apple Market. Wow. So is this the famous Mexican food? Waka. So this is the famous fresh Mexican street food, right? Okay, you're closer, yeah. Seems like it. Kawaii. Oh yeah.
Famous lion.
This is the famous lion. 42? It says 42. What? Another Christmas market?
Very small Christmas market. Like I'm very small, but better than nothing. So cool. So cool. And they're babe. And the heat hot. Like we didn't have.
Why is it so blue?
Oh my gosh. Why? Oh,
There's
because
no
of
blue light. No, there's no blue light. Is there? Oh yeah.
Eh?
Christmas market at the National Gallery. That's smaller than the one, but it's okay. It's still a Christmas market. Chicken burger. Pulled pork. Yeah, lots of them are closed.
Yay, some clothes already.
Yeah, our night in London. Our one night in London. Everything is closed.
I'm gonna go and take a look there.
Where? Oh, what is this? Casa Bockwurst. Oh yeah, these are sausage. Which one is your favorite? Huh? Which one?
I want
Ah, which one is your favorite?
the long and straight.
So, yeah, he just flipped it. Let's go. Wait, these is cheese inside. Wow. Cheese inside sausages, baby. It's closed. Yeah. Too bad I gotta go back tomorrow. Oh, too bad.
Too bad.
Wish we had more time here,
Yes.
but work is work, you know.
I know.
But somebody got one more day in London, huh?
Yes.
Somebody.
Somebody.
I wonder who's that lucky girl.
Me.
What is this bit? Is this the famous father and son? Is it the famous father and son?
The famous? Somebody who's famous?
Uh-huh.
It's okay. We can find like.
Alright, let's go. Let's go
We
read
can
that.
find out the famous lion.
Where's the famous lion?
The 4 lions.
Oh, the famous 4 lions. Okay. Oh, there it is.
Oh, you got it.
Antelope. Oh, Mayor of London. Okay. Samson Kambalu.
What?
So the photograph of Baptist preacher and Pan-Africanist John Chilembwe. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce that right. European missionary John Corey as a sculpture.
Oh.
There you go. It's not father and son, but it's the famous antelope.
Okay, let's go and see the famous lion.
The famous lion? Okay. Can I see the famous fountain first?
If you make a wish,
Uh-huh.
it will come true.
At the famous fountain?
Try.
Alright, I'll make a wish. No entry? What?
No, you shouldn't. You shouldn't enter there.
I think I'd have a better luck with my wish coming true if I bathe in it. What's he doing to his oh, that's a fish.
Dolphin.
I thought he was holding his... Never mind. Yeah, looks like he hasn't used the toilet for many days. And finally he has the chance to do it now, but he's just holding a fish. Don't worry about it, guys, it's just a fish. Nothing inappropriate, it's just a fish.
Yes. The
Okay.
dolphin. Yeah, this is a famous lion.
The famous lion. So,
Because last time, a lot of
Wait.
people just like park it from there and
Uh-huh.
take a picture
Yeah.
until they have to like.
put aside.
Yes.
Oh.
But still, there's a lot of people like come there and then take a picture.
So you guys heard it, okay? No more riding the lion. Okay? No more. The sign is here. Don't do it, guys. You want to take a picture with it? Fine, but don't ride it. Okay? Hey, don't do it. Oh, yeah, yeah. I thought you want to ride it. Yeah, okay. But there's no security though.
I
So can we just do it quickly?
know. No.
I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do it, okay? Are you talking about a museum or yourself? Oh, okay. Yeah. You're absolutely accurate.
It's cold.
Yeah, it is.
It's windy.
Uh-huh. But something here is hot though.
No.
It's cold in London.
Yeah.
But this lady here is bringing the temperature up
A
single-handedly.
A little bit.
A little bit? Just a little bit? No, no. Summer here right now beside me. Oh no. I don't feel cold at all. I'm actually sweating.
Oh.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because I'm standing next to summer. We found a random car here. Just in the middle.
Oh my.
Yeah.
That's scary.
This is right here. I don't know what happened. It'll get well soon. We found her favorite store. The magical platform? It's everything Harry Potter. I know this. Dobby.
Dobby.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I know this. Voldemort.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And
Oh, for some reason Gollum is in Harry Potter as well.
I don't know it. I don't know.
And
What's that?
Gollum is an alcoholic? I didn't know that. Oh, even Yoda is in Harry Potter.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're learning some lore today.
We're gonna like, what's the white owl?
Harry Potter's out.
Yes, you're right. What's the name?
If it was me, I would call him Snowy.
It's a she.
Is what?
It's a she.
She? Snowy? Snowy is a she name.
She. No, I mean Harry Potter owl. It's a
Snowy?
My child, Hedwig.
Okay, I will call him
Her.
Sugar. I'll call her Sugar.
Sugar. Yes, please.
Or Coke. Yeah, as in cocaine.
Dobby is free.
Dobby is free because he got a sock.
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Did you know? Yeah.
Why did a sock set him free?
So if his master left him like any clothes like sock, yeah, clothes, yeah. So it means that the house elf is free.
Oh, any article of clothing sets him free.
Exactly.
Oh, I would give him an earring.
Good damn.
Looks like he has a good pair of ears for
For
cool
the earrings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the famous telephone booth.
Oh.
Can we actually open it? Oh wow.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
looks like a horror movie though. Yeah, I gotta sanitize my hand now.
I think too. Like the roles of the women change.
During World War II, the roles of women changed.
Yeah.
Okay. How?
Because the guys they have to like go to the war,
Yeah.
so they love it only the women.
Okay.
So that's why I think it's like not the first step, but like the women have to go and work because last time we had to stay home
Yeah.
and do all the housework.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why I think it's like the small step of the women revolution.
Oh.
Yeah.
So in a way, war
Oh.
has benefits.
I cannot say that.
You can't say that.
But because for the women, we fight for very long already.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think this is like the other factor that makes more sense that hey, actually women can work. We don't have to just like stay at home and do all the housework. We're not the housewife.
Okay.
Okay.
You're right. And look at the women now.
Yes. That's why I really have that.
Is that the famous London Eye? Nothing compared to these pair of eyes. Right? Am I right?
Hey,
Eh,
too close.
Too close? Hey, famous Big Bang.
Everything is fake.
Yeah. Right? Everything in London is famous?
Yes.
And I think this concludes our London trip because we have to go there right now.
Yes.
You can see it. But it's pretty late already. Yeah, you can't really see it.
Much better.
It's like 11. What time is it? 11. Oh, it's almost 11.
Yes, you're right.
Almost 11.
Oh my.
I gotta go.